I want to beseech the president of this country in regard to Maandamano, which is scheduled on Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, that I'm with a similar opinion with the clergy of this country who held a meeting with the media this morning to ask that the two should have very serious bipartisan talks so that they can be able to revamp the stalemate of the Maandamano, because we know the same comes with the loss of lives and property. We are aware we have lost billions of money, close to about 9 billion for the two consecutive protests we've had on Friday and Wednesday last week. So I want to stand with the clergy and say that the president should tone down and should not take this political move by His Excellency the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, because Raila Odinga is a representative of the citizens of this country, and rallying the people behind advocating or proclaiming the antagonism from the government so that they can be able to think about on how to bring reprieve on the cost of living. To Right Honorable Raila Odinga, we applaud you, but essentially I will seek that Odinga to give a media address to the citizens of this country who are disgruntled on the cost of living, to do a peaceful demonstration. It is very clear that Article 37 always is what gives us the power to go and picket, demonstrate and assemble. In the same principle, I request the Azimio-led alliance to call upon a peaceful demonstration. To the Governor Kisii County, who was sworn in to stand for the people of Kisii, as we proceed to Maandamano, I want to remind him that we had 6 lives, which most of them have not been buried, and there are a number of casualties who are nursing wounds and very serious bullet injuries in hospitals. I request that those bills should be footed, because the governor is there to stand with the citizens of Kisii County. And secondly, to him, I request that he also calls you guys, the media, who have a very magnanimous and very serious platform for us to move this country in terms of our democracy, to give an opinion and to express that there will be peaceful Maandamano or protest in Kisii. I request that he will always follow the same, and he will lead our people into that effect.